Have you ever have Thai massage?
Yes, to be here in Thailand and I go every day almost to Thai massage.
How you feel?
I feel refreshed and my neck was very stiff, so it's much better now.
Okay, that's good. Okay, any question?
Like, what kind of benefits does it have?
Okay, a lot of benefit of Thai massage. Yes, let's say Thai massage, Thai yoga massage. Benefit is energizing, promote blood circulation. You work on blood circulation and you work in the energy line. Energy not flow create pain. Thai massage, you do acupressure and you manipulate that to get rid of the stagnant of the energy. And you promote circulation of your blood flow, energy flow, blood flow, so you feel release.
Okay.
Yes. Any?
A lot of times they use the elbow and also the feet.
Okay.
Why is it?
Okay. So a lot of Thai massage use the anything like elbow and feet and sometimes knee also. So that's it mean because sometimes the hand the pressure is not deep enough to get into deep tissue, something like that. So we use all the technique like elbow technique to get more pressure to the. But you have to train very well because otherwise you can press somewhere else is not on the energy line. That's when you learn Thai massage. You have to learn the 10 cent. That's energy line, the main we focus. Yes. If you miss it, I mean you don't learn the scent and lie on the body. So you don't feel, you just feel like sometimes pain or sometimes bruise.
Yeah.
That's
You can do for yourself, like by yourself. Like, do you have any points, like in the ear or anywhere in the foot or something which you can press?
yes.
Yeah.
So if you learn like self massage, we call self massage for Thai people or for the therapist like myself, I always unblockage myself. So you learn and then you know what point, right?
Yeah.
You like neck pain or stretching from the yoga stretching is link, so you know how to stretch, you manipulate wherever you feel tense. Yes, so you can fix yourself, but you need to learn. Yes, welcome to learn Thai yoga massage with me, okay, in Thailand.
Yes.
Original one.
Yes, that's the best original
Yes,
one.
give me the feedback, like how many thumb up, 2 thumb up, what?
Yes, 10, 15, 20 more thumbs up.
Okay, thank you, Rachel.
So much.
Yes, enjoy your journey, and then we're traveling soon, right?
Yes.
And see you soon. I
you
hope see you soon
soon. Yes, for
again.
sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye, guys. In love for you.
Now.